Yes, you ordered 10 strap with one watch. Yes, one, two. And look at this. This is a like a unique strap. Two, three, four, five, six, seven, and eight, nine, or and chain will also. 10 straps you're getting with the watch. Decent quality. You can say AirPods Pro. Free and thumb sleeves for gaming, adapter with the branding that you can see here and the quality adapter, and a pop socket. Any one brand. There are four brands: Mi, Oppo, Vivo, and you can say Samsung. So anyone you can buy. A 5-piece kit, a 360 case, and a screen guard. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven extra straps, seven extra gifts free with the watch. The watch is super smooth. Strap lock screw is there, and everything is there. You can see the action button is also working. Yes, action button is also working. The I think so. Hey guys, welcome back to ACETECH Global. As we are moving forward towards our Indian festival that we celebrate a lot and we love a lot, that is Diwali. So here comes, I introduce you a new gadgets and new offers so that you can enjoy and like you can just celebrate with them. So what will be the what are these going to be? You can say these are going to be a 4 straps, 5 straps, 15 gifts, even free of cost with all these combos. Yes, you are right. All these combos will be having so many gifts. So if you want to buy a budget watch and you want to gift to your own son or to someone in place of some mithai ka dabba, you can go for all these combos and you are going to love it, as these are very much cost efficient, as well as it will save you hassle from lots of gifting to someone else. So let's come and start the video. Okay, come closer. So if you move for the first watch, this is the combo that you can see. This is the 4-in-1 strap ultra. Okay, so here is the box. Okay, here the watch and everything will be same. The box quality is quite good, and you can see there is 49 mm. You can see if you go for the back side, here is all the straps, and here also. So the quality of box is good for gifting purpose. If you want to gift, if we open, we get a manual. Okay, and we get a 4 straps that I can see. One black ocean, one orange, one silver chain, and a black alpine. And this strap goes for a velcro strap. So if someone wants a little bit of soft strap, this is a good one. Okay, the quality will be average as you go, like the prices will be average also. So you are getting a lot of these products and a free gifts also. I will be just showing you the free gifts. So if you turn on the watch, you will be getting logo or not. Let's see. So I'll switch this on. Let's see, the battery we should be there. Okay, that's the most important part of this video. Oh, the battery. Let's see. Let's try the upper button. Yes, I think the battery is going to be there or not. If not there, we'll be just switching on the like the other. Oh yeah, I think it's already was there. I was pressing the wrong button. So let's see, is there logo or not. I just hold down this button. Okay, there is a on off logo of this brand. So if you want to buy this brand, you can go for it. Overall the look will be the same. Okay, so the logo will be this, but the overall look will be like this ultra, you can say. So all 3 buttons are there. You can see the finishing also good. You will be getting a strap lock screw in the watch, and the touch response is also good. I like the touch response as the price goes. And you can just go to setting and see everything that is mentioned in the watch, or you can use the calculator that everyone wants right now. Bhai, why the hell everyone wants a calculator in the watch? Still it is there. Heart rate sensor, everything is there. So strap lock screw is there. The watch quality is good, as you see. So here is the 4 straps. With that, you will be getting a decent quality, you can say, AirPods Pro free, and thumb sleeves for gaming, adapter with the branding that you can see here and the quality adapter, and a pop socket. Any one brand. There are 4 brands: Mi, Oppo, Vivo, and you can say Samsung. So anyone you can buy. A 5-piece kit, a 360 case, and a screen guard. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven extra straps, 7 extra gifts free with the watch and 4 straps. So everything is like fabulous right now. So you can see, guys, this you're getting a 4 straps, one watch, and these much gifts. So if you want to gift someone, this will be the cost efficient way to gift someone, and that boy or kid, or if you want to use by yourself, you will be happy, more than happy. You're getting so much gifts. Okay, let's keep this aside, this combo. Move forward, we are getting a big one mithai ka dabba. You can see the packaging here. Smartwatch 7-in-1. So as the 7 goes, you are getting to the right point. 7 straps will be there. Everything is there, like a branding on the top. On the back there is some graphics here, and you can connect the application of the watch with app, Android and app store. And let's open the box and see what are we getting in the box, man. So let's see here. So here is the watch, here is the wireless charger, here is the AirPod inside the box. You're not getting an extra AirPod, but you're getting all the other gifts. Okay, so you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 straps free. Let's go for the watch quality, as the major concern is the watch quality right now. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's already on. This watch won't be having any logo. Hello and bye will be there. So let's go for a touch response. That's good. Okay, the touch sensors are good. I think this is the same watch as we have shown in the older box. Yes, everything is same. Though if we go backside, there is only a sticker, not a real strap lock or screw. But the quality is top notch. You can say in budget, if you want, you will be getting everything. Okay. So this is the good one. Watch super smooth. Calculator is also there if you want to see. Here is the calculator. Here is the game also if you want to play. Let's switch this watch off so that the battery don't go down. So here is the watch, your wireless charger, your AirPods, your strap. If you want to just like insert a strap and see how it will look, that's the best thing you can see, guys. You can just wear there are 7 days in a week now. You can just change strap every single day while wearing a smartwatch. Yes, you heard right. Here is the strap that comes with the magnet Milanese loop, and the quality of the strap is good also. The quality of the watch is good also, and you can wear Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Every day will be a new strap with your watch, and you can change every single day in a week. So that's a good part of this combo, guys. Yes, you are getting so much in the combo. So let's just keep the watch inside the box. Here is the AirPod. If you order this, you'll be getting a gaming sleeves. You can see a pop socket, an adapter, 5-piece kit, and 360 case, and a screen guard. So many gifts with so many straps with so many good watches we have introduced to. So right now we have the best deals in the market. Okay. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and make sure to hit the bell icon. So till now, if you're satisfied, we have an Hindi channel also. If someone have any query or like don't know how don't getting what are these, so if they know Hindi very well, they can watch the ACETECHSTORE. Just type in the YouTube and he will get to know that channel, and he can watch the same combo in Hindi. Okay, for the order purpose, there is a number below the screen. You can come on WhatsApp and order on that. Second is, we don't offer a full cash on delivery. You have to pay some advance, and rest will be cash on delivery. If you have any trust issues, we have 4 YouTube channels, 2 shops in Delhi, so you can visit on the shop, or you can order on the website also if you want to get an EMI through credit card, or you can pay as per the cash on delivery, but 300 advance have to be paid before placing an order. So as we move forward to the third combo, let's go. The box are look like, but I make sure that the watch is not same. The box will be same like this. Everything is same. So what is the difference, guys? There is the catch. Here are the 7 straps. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 strap is there. The AirPods is not there. Why? Because the watch will be having a top-notch quality. Like you can say the better quality before. Okay, there is a logo that everyone wanted. Okay, we are getting to that. So there is a watch face also that has changed. Let's see. There are. Oh yes, there are many good watch faces. Split screen is also there. Multitasking is also there. You can see like there is a like notification bar is also there, and so many things is also there. So that's good. The watch is smooth without any lag. Okay, let's see. The watch goes good. Yes, every feature is there, and the watch is smooth. If you go for action button, yes, it is working, and all 3 buttons are working. If you go for the back side, there is a screw and strap lock. Yes, screw and strap lock, and watch have a always on display also. All these watches I think have the always on display, but yeah, watch quality is good. I love this watch. If you go for the budget, if you want the budget, this is the one of the best. So if you order this, you can see if you want to insert this strap. Like if you are going on a Monday office, you can wear this strap, or you can wear this one. It's as per your like. Okay, wear this strap on Monday and it will look too good, man. Okay, on Monday you're wearing this, on Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and the next day on the, yes, you can change it. Yeah, on each 7 days you can change your straps every single day in a week. So you are going to love these combos. So what we are going to do, we are going to help you with more offers so that you can choose. Anyway, so with this watch, you are getting what? Extra gifts, an AirPods, sleeves, you can say, a pop socket, an adapter, a 5-piece kit, a 360 case, and a screen guard. Yes, you heard right. So many gifts, so many straps, and everything will be going to be there. So yes, guys, these are one of the best combos. You can buy this festival and gift it to someone, or you can even use it to someone. But as we move forward, I want to convey that these are the, like you can say, the budgeted one. Okay, so don't go for that. This will be having a so much high-end quality. These are the budgeted combos. The price goes as per the budget. So don't look for that much higher quality. But yeah, they do their work. They have calling 49 notification. Everything will be there in the watches. Okay, so we'll be satisfied as per the price. Let's move forward with this box. This box looks more premium than the older ones. But this box will be having smartwatch, space case, aluminium, 14 mm. That's what we want. Okay, so here are the sign, action mode, heartbeat, music, calories, Bluetooth connection, everything is there. Smartwatch written on all the sides. And if you go backward, here is the Ultra 10 and everything is there. So that's good. So what we are going to do here, we are going to introduce you with the new thing. 10 straps in one box. Yes, you ordered 10 strap with one watch. Yes, one, two, and look at this. This is a like a unique strap. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9 or and chain will also 10 straps you're getting with the watch. And we insert this strap also. This looks too good. Let's first open the switch on the watch and see the watch quality. I think this was the one of the best watches you can see in this. There won't be any logo, but the quality is good. Let's see. Yes, so a unique like a notification menu, or you can section center. Let's go back. Always on display is also there. Let's see message notification. Yes, everything is there. And you can see multitasking feature is also there. And the watch is super smooth other than older watches. If you go back, the strap lock is not there, but the screws are there. Yes, the quality is good. The action button is working or not. Let's check. Yes, action button is also working. So let's all these things are going to be good. All these things are looking good right now. If we go for the strap, like if we insert this one, okay, if we insert this one, yeah, looking good right now. Yeah, this is looking too good. Yeah, the like leather finishing strap is looking good, you can see. So just remove this strap and you are ready for other day. If you want to know, like you wore this on Sunday and you want to wear something else on Monday, you can wear in the 10 different ways. Yes, 10 straps with a 360 case and AirPods, 5 gaming sleeves, adapter, pop socket for 5-piece kit, 360 screen. These so many gifts with 10 straps. You are getting more than 15 to 17 gifts with this watch. Yes, you heard right, 15 to 17 gifts. 10 straps with all these gifts, man. These are totally insane in the normal price range. So what we are going to do, we are going to move forward with the last combo. Yes, this is the one of the best combo for those not looking for a silver watch. Yes, who are looking for a golden watch. Yes, golden combo is this, like you can see. The golden watch is there, the always on display is there, the watch is super smooth, strap lock screw is there and everything is there. You can see the action button is also working. Yes, action button is also working. I think the calculator will be also there. Every feature is there, calling and everything is there. So many options right now in this watch this offers. This is the golden ultra and you can go for a golden series 8, so you can gift to your mother, sister or to your wife, anything, anyone, or and keep this watch too for yourself. So this watch comes with a screw strap lock, and this watch comes with screw and strap lock. So all the features will be going to be there, and you are going to love this combo, man. Like you are right, this combo will be going to be loved. Free wireless charger, AirPods Pro, and 7 straps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 straps are going to be there, and AirPods Pro too. And with this sleeves for this pop socket, adapter, 5-piece kit, 360 case, screen guard, everything, like so many gifts right now to offer on the festival. So instead of giving some mithai ka dabba, go for these. Other will be going to love it, and with this combination, all you are going to love these things. So if you like this video till now, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And basically we goes for the English channel. If you want to order all over the world, yes, we ship all over the world. From like outside India, you can order easily and get all these gifts to your home country. So let's done with this video, and we are going to offer a new gadgets as we move forward. Okay, let's done with this video, and we'll meet you in the next one. Okay, bye bye.